On dollar card for today, dollar card on the daily at present gave this reversal upside. So today we want to watch for corrections and continuation of this buy side momentum. We expect this to correct upside. Now, so if we zoom to 4-hour time frame, we want to watch out for corrections that will confirm that upside is incoming on dollar card. So we want to watch out for buy opportunities. If we zoom to 1-hour time frame on dollar card, on 1-hour time frame, since this was the low, we watch for some form of corrections to take place here for a while. This will confirm for us that buys are incoming. So we want to look out for that buy after the correction on dollar card for today. So we want to watch out for that buy opportunity upside on dollar card. On euro yen for today, on the daily, euro yen has been correcting back downside. So we want to watch them give us a flat here before more drops will develop. So we want to watch out for development of that flat. Resume to 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, you see they give us this was the wave they have dropped to tag the low. So we want to watch for another spike upside to complete this flat and then more drops to the downside to continue. So if we zoom to 1-hour time frame, we want to watch out for that spike that will complete the flat structure. We are really interested in this back downside after completing this flat structure for us. So look out for this up move before the big drop will continue back downside on euro yen. So we want to watch out for that as it develops today. On pound New Zealand for today, pound New Zealand at present is correcting this up climb. So we want to watch the correction to see if it will give us another up to make a flat structure before we see if it will give one more retest. We zoom to the 4-hour time frame on pound New Zealand. On the 4-hour time frame, we see at present that this looks like a smaller flat for one more drop to make this bigger flat, which will give us this up spike. So we want to watch out for this structure to develop on pound New Zealand today. If we zoom to 1-hour time frame, on the 1-hour time frame today, first we are looking for this sell downside. This is the sell we want to look out for, as this sell can retest the low before giving us back the up climb to make this flat, or this test. This sell can only just retest this smaller low, complete this flat structure, and then give us that upside. So we want to look out for this sell. On silver for today, silver at present on the daily gave us this drop and this corrective structure, which we believe is complete right now. We expect one more drop downside to tag this low to complete this flat that we can see before we see if they will continue the buy momentum upside. So if we zoom to 4-hour time frame on silver, on the 4-hour time frame, we want to watch out for corrections here and then drops back downside. We are looking out for this drop to retest this low. So we want to watch out for this sell on silver today. If we zoom to 1-hour time frame, on silver on the 1-hour time frame, we want to watch out for corrections to here and then drops downside towards this low. So this is the trade we want to watch out for on silver. Sell setup to the low. So we want to look out for that as it develops today, or at least a sell setup that will